love it.
All right, we're gonna do DC, and then we're gonna do. Shit, cool.
What's up to the vlog?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
His Instagram name gonna be in the link down below. Or first one is DC.
Yo, 2022 season. We're starting, man. It's DC 16, this little guy. So watch out what's gonna happen. This is a hybrid. It's gonna be both color and sound. Once again, we got DC 16, 2022 season, folks. Let's roll! I'm gonna do the under few. Next, what we got? Okay, let's start the next one. Next one for 2022, Alien Invasions. Alien Invasions. It's a 200 grammer, 19 shots also. We're gonna see what this one does.
I hope you know I'm dropping all this on YouTube tonight. It's gonna be out tomorrow.
For real?
Yeah. The most we can do is take a picture.
Yeah.
Just take a picture.
Shit, then we at least got something we can pause and go back in and pause. Dude, you know what's even better? Look at this cool shit. Watch it. Watch this when I do more. Watch this shit. Look at this. I forgot to do this. Watch this. Oh yeah, we're going dual camera, baby.
That is crazy.
I forgot about that shit. This is the camera. Yeah, bitches.
That is crazy.
Oh, dude, I forgot about that. Here we go. Go recording. Yo, 2022 fourth major. We're here on a Tuesday night. Tearing up. Next one gonna be is Battle Royale. Battle Royale. Check this out, man. Isn't that cool, man? You can be on the camera
cool.
and the thing and pause it.
That's crazy.
Not bad, huh?
That's crazy. I think I might go back to Android. Nah, just like.
There's gotta be an app.
It gotta be. Yeah, for us.
Yeah, for us.
All right, we're rolling. Battle Royale. Next for 2022, a 200 grammer, a 16 shot. Take charge. Take charge, folks. Take charge. 16 shots.
Hey, you know, we can put the most we can do is put the emojis on our heads. That's it.
All right, man. Take charge. 16 shots. Let's roll. There's only 16 shots, folks. right, next is Scooby Doo. Where are you? Look at that bad boy. Another 16 shot cake, 2022. Got little Scooby over there. So, that kid, I love it. Those are the 2-inch ones, the little ones. Over there, 2-inch fastballs. This is gonna be Scooby Doo. Continuing. Look at that, man. We got Scooby Doo. Where are you? Let's do this.
Wow.
Oh my God, look at that. Did you see that break on that? That was beautiful, dude. Each one of those has a different effect too.
That was wide.
The yellow ones, the 3 yellow, 3 different effects. That's a 3-inch, no way, a 3-inch shell. That's crazy. All right, guys, next we got Dinner with Real Heroes. Dinner with Real Heroes, 16 shots. It's getting a little bit bigger. It's gonna go a little bit higher. This one is 45 bucks, a deal. Let's see what it does. Okay. Continuing on.
He loves the fireworks.
Here we go. This is gonna be higher and louder. I don't know, but I know it's gonna go in the middle here, and it might hit it, and might go both.
The only thing is, like, if it goes through this one, it's gonna start with the end and go to the beginning. You know what I mean?
But it's still 20.
But it still should
still go.
It's a fuse. It's not like it's not reversible. It's a fuse.
We'll find out. We'll find out real quick.
Stuff burns for me.
All right, guys, we're doing something here cool this year. This is called All Jacked Up. It's a 25 shotter, straight boomer. It's actually from, what is that? Big Bully Fireworks. And what we did this year, they actually have starter and ends. So you can connect and then fuse and keep rolling through. So realistically, you would do the first one here, let it roll through all 25 and then go up and over. But what we're gonna try to do today is actually like the middle here and see if it'll do both cakes at the same time. So we have 50 shots of just straight mayhem. Boom, let's find out what happens. I really don't know.
Oh yeah. It's definitely time for you to get a firework box.
Because I really don't know. Alright guys, we're back at it here. This is All Jacked Up, brand new 2022 season. These run 45 apiece, 25 shots each. We're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna let the middle fuse. Hopefully it picks up. We're gonna find out real quick.